Hello traders, today March 31st, 11:19 a.m. EST. This had been a historical month with extreme volatility, with extreme formations, with extreme crashes and rallies, when every trader, every human, every system have been tested. So right now we're having a chat with students and we're witnessing what students do. Here's the update. Mind you, 20 points on Dow, 2 trades, 10 points on S&P, 2 trades. Bread. 12 trades, 10 win, 2 loss for March. Khalid. S&P YM 20 points per trade, 2 trades, 40 points on Dow. David, this morning, Khalid and David, week 5 in the course. David, stunning, incredible work. What is the success rate? At least 80%. This morning alone. David, gold, 38 ticks, oil 32, S&P 12.75 plus Dow 121 points this morning alone. Mind you, 5 points S&P. All of this does not require any of my hand holding. None. All of this independent trading. David, week 5 in the course. Incredible job. Let's see what the rest of the students have done this historical month. Here's the email I received from Bill this morning. Bill is one of my favorite clients of all times. Bill wrote one of the most extensive reviews you can ever read, posted on the website. As Bill says this morning, hope all is well. The simplicity and accuracy of the system continues to amaze me. March 2020, tough month to say the least, and my best months ever. Gold and micro S&P. Music to my ears. Historical volatility. For Bill, it is the best month ever. Bill is retiree, not spending much time in front of the screen, enjoying his trading. Here's another email from Bill a few days before. I got only 3 points due to small size and I'm so happy. Here's an email from David. As David says, the thing which surprised and delighted me the most was the most amazing accuracy of software, Alpha, Fibonacci Trading, and your passion for teaching. And that means the world, as he says. In all prior other trading rooms, I was averaging 4-8 points per day. However, since joining Alpha Fibonacci Club, my trade results have improved tremendously and are extremely consistent. Averaging on Dow 40 points to 80 points per day on one contract. Again, this is what David posted this morning. Trading 4 instruments during different hours. So if you come to the website and you click on podcast section, we will keep updating podcasts with students and graduates. Here's David's last podcast recorded a couple of days ago. You can also listen to Brad, you can also listen to Sam, you can also listen to Pablo. Another podcast recorded with Pablo will be updated next. Here's an email from Pablo, complete beginner trader, who is right now top step trader. As he says, I contacted you for the first time at the beginning of 2018. Pablo had no idea who NinjaTrader was. Pablo did not know NinjaTrader was a platform. And right now, as he says, I can confidently say that I trade with an 80% success ratio and currently trading S&P 500 mini in gold while in the middle of crisis in Spain. Pablo, taking care of his soul, of his body, meditating, eating healthy, and trading extremely well. Being very, very proud, completing the challenge with Step Trader. And as you can see, we're discussing more and more healthy lifestyle and eating, which is critical now. So this is typical and standard how we finish every single day, because those who are serious about trading, those who are making effort, successful every single day, even in this historical market. Jennifer just joined us, been with us a couple of weeks. Her husband Emmanuel finished the course and brought his wife to the course. Jennifer doing extremely well, only after a couple of weeks with us. So these students can do it, so can you. Read and listen and view videos. And if you are serious about trading, I look forward to working with you. Simply choose the option appropriate for you and take advantage of the biggest discount ever. Very few spaces left for group or private mentoring with or without software. Once these spots are filled, only regular price will be available. If you are considering private mentoring, pretty please speak with me first. Thank you, traders, so much. Live classes, video library, modules available 24/7. Traders all over the world trading Alpha Fibonacci method from beginner to hedge fund trader. If they can do it, so can you. All you have to decide what you want to trade. Any questions for me, please do not hesitate to contact me. Simply pick up the phone or call 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you, traders, so much.